Having someone you care about a lot significantly amplifies the fear of death.
Deaf people lose freedom of speech when handcuffed.
When you're driving a car, you're essentially sitting in a really fast-moving chair.
Our dreams of being able to fly effortlessly must come from being carried as an infant.
You don't like things because you had a bad experience while interacting with it, not because the thing itself is bad.
A future medical student, as a child, may pass someone on the street who will become a future cadaver that they will work on in medical school.
Every country on earth has freedom of speech, just not all have freedom after speech.
Losses seem so much more impactful than wins of the same magnitude.
People speak many languages, but everyone laughs the same.
Everyone always asks whether or not a hot dog is a sandwich, while hamburgers seem like they belong in a totally different category too.
Sign language is faster than spoken languages.
Women from Middle Eastern countries must have low rates of skin cancer.
We will never experience tomorrow because the definition of tomorrow keeps changing each day that passes by.
Even if the universe is filled with life, we are still essentially alone if faster than light travel can't be done.
Computers are the only thing where too much heat can cause freezing.
In the history of conflict, people who are willing to kill lose to the people who are willing to die.
Our lives have been flashing before our eyes since the day we were born.
Students in the future will have longer history classes.
One of the only thing we wash with cold water instead of hot water is our teeth.
Now for a quick break, stay tuned for more shower thoughts. The elves in Polar Express wait to throw their hats after the sleigh takes off, because it doesn't always work.
Human beings are a human's biggest weakness.
It's weird that a symptom of a cold is a fever.
Everyone smells if you sniff hard enough.
Watching someone eat your favorite foods differently to how you eat them is universally unsettling.
Small plate dining culture is the proliferation of shrinkflation with good public relations management.
It's a lot easier telling people they use too much deodorant than telling them they use too little.
Electric lawnmowers are so considerate.
Todd and Margot hated the Griswolds because Clark always got Margot's carpet wet.
Everybody has different voices, but everyone can whistle at the same tone.
No one actually knows where Smithereens is located.
I'm Bob Jeffy.
And I'm Lorelei Stewart. Thanks for listening, and we'll be back tomorrow with more shower thoughts. Bye for now.
If you like this podcast, check out our other podcast, Daily Dad Jokes. It'll make you laugh and groan. Just search for Daily Dad Jokes in your podcast app or check the show notes page for links. This podcast was produced by Klassic Studios. Please see the show notes page for source credits.